chuck roast. Fairly trim it, and then you want to make some slits in it. And the reason why we're making these slits is because what we're going to do is we're going to take these garlic cloves.
Which I smell like 24/7.
Yes, me too. And the smell never goes away from my hands. So it's always, if you come close, you'll smell garlic. So we're going to insert that as I have here. So what we're going to do now is we're basically going to season with salt and pepper. And I have some hot oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, and we're going to begin to start searing that. And while that's searing, we want to season this side as well. And basically, we're going to brown that. So about 4 or 5 minutes on each side till we get an even brown, sort of like I have right here. Once we get it to that stage, and you know what, guys, here's the great thing about this dish. You can do this way in advance, so you don't have to just freak out like, oh my God, they're going to be here in an hour.
Yeah, the longer it sets, the better it gets, right?
The better it is, right? So then we're going to add onions when it's brown, some thyme and bay leaf, and then it's really sort of the spice. So a little Mexican oregano.
Yum.
I love cumin.
Me too.
Oh,
it's
yeah,
a smoky flavor.
Yeah.
You know, I read in a magazine once that in Europe, they pump the scent, the fragrance of cumin into the casinos because it makes you lower your inhibitions and spend more money. So, I mean...
It's like Vegas.
Yeah, cook, I know. Cook with cumin and maybe you'll be cooking naked.
I'll tell you what.
So cumin, a little allspice, right?
Yes, allspice.
A pinch of cloves.
And then that oregano. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add chipotles. You know, speaking about cumin, I just had a trip to Greece.
Oh, look.
Oh, I mean...
Never been in my life. Is it fabulous?
Oh, Rachel, put it on your list. I'm telling you right now. My friend Yanis and I, he lives here in New York, but he's from Rhodes. Yeah. And he was our tour guide. Wow. There's the missus, Alden and I. So unbelievable. Look at this.
Look at that.
That's Santorini. So we went to Rhodes, we went to Simi, we went to Santorini. The food is unbelievable.
Oh, look.
Why don't we go?
I'll go.
Why don't we go?
I'll go.
Okay.
Pinky swear. Pinky swear. Pinky swear.
Bam!
Bam!
That's what I say to that. Okay. So now the onions get brown, all the spices. We go in the oven, 325 degrees.
Cook it low and slow.
Nice and slow, almost until it's going to fall apart. Just like this right here, folks.
Look
okay?
at that.
And then we pull this. We pull it. And keep the juices. Yeah. Now, here's what we're going to do. If you just give me a rough chop on that, and that garlic, which I've salted, we'll put that inside of the bowl. And then we're going to put it in the bowl with this tomato, some jalapeno,
want this pasted?
some red onion. That would be great.
Oh my God, I just want to put my whole face in that bowl. But
I know.
That wouldn't be very ladylike at a party, but...
Well...
You know, my dog won't eat her food unless it's little tiny pieces. I eat more like a dog than my pit bull.
All right, you can give me that right in here?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. And how about some lime juice?
Yes, sir.
And a little salt.
Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop.
Okay, now, check this out. Soft, warm tortillas.
Oh.
Gotta come over here.
Yeah.
Gotta get that.
The juicy, the extra juicy.
Right there. Okay, now we come over here.
Yeah. Some pico.
Yes.
Yes.
Avocado.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That's so wrong. I can't even believe.
Avocado.
It's legal.
A little crema. Okay.
Oh, baby. Come on,
That's
top
10.
of the
That's 10. Okay.